So I'm gonna be talking about the AIAX tool, which combines which is a content management system and front end. It's it uses the TI XML format that you're well aware of. The system works with epigraphic documents encoded in TI XML format, specifically adhering to the standards of Epidoc. The system is built using PHP for server-side processing and SQL databases for storage and retrieval. There are two deployment options. One is a portable version that you probably downloaded. It is provided as a package on the website called AIAX Telamon Portable.zip and contains a web server, PHP 8, and SQL. And this version is self-contained and doesn't require installation, just unzipping. And then we have a server-side installation, which requires self-installation on your own server, including setting your own PHP and your SQL database in port, MySQL, or on an Apache server, for example. The key functionalities that AIAX provides are visualization of epigraphic text in two versions, publishers and diplomatic text, transformation of XML files into epigraphic publishers sigla according to Leiden Plus system, display of metadata, critical apparatus, commentary, bibliography, and photographs associated with the monument that we put in the facsimile element. Compilation of various indexes, words, places, attested persons, names, and so on, based on authority TI XML files that you made yesterday, actually. So Telamon is a specific implementation tailored for it to represent ancient Greek inscriptions in Bulgaria. This is actually the layout of Telamon, and you can see you have your places where you find spots of your monuments, and then metadata, including images. The Telamon operates with a custom Epidoc XML template, but it can be adapted to work with other templates, but it would require more tweaking than, for example, FS. It has features like an admin panel, user management, extended presentation options, indexing, error reporting, image edition, and enhanced search capabilities. And has, yes, that's what I said already. It has tailored distributions for tituli, this project, which is for Latin inscriptions, Horus is for ecclesiastical inscriptions in Greek, and the main and most developed one, Telamon. It's simple to install it. It needs only PHP above 7.3 and SQL. The sample instructions are provided with the downloadable package, so you can check them, as well as the ones available in the in the workshop program. So during indexing, epigraphic tables are cleared, images are resized, information is extracted from XML files, and necessary elements for searching are recorded. The website presentation is based on the indexed information, allowing for fast separation without directly accessing the XML files, and you can actually edit your XML files from this web page they are being displayed on currently. I'm gonna show you that feature is really cool. So let's try it. This is mirrored version of the Telemon project. It's for sandbox features and tests, of course. I'm gonna show you how to access firstly the admin panel. You go in the bottom and there's a little login. Most of the password, the username and password is admin and passwd. You log in, you go to the subsection called XML and to XML files. And here you can see where your XMLs are living. For example, your XMLs are going to be living in the folder called epidoc, and your authority files are going to live under the authority folder. We don't touch config and sandbox for now. Here you can see all of the XML files available on the Telemon website. You can right-click them and even see them with a little preview. Now you can expand it. Sorry, there seems to be an issue with this feature right now.
Sorry for interrupting, Chris. Can I ask you to make it a little bigger?
Yes, of course. Is it okay this way?
For me, yes.
Is it visible? Okay. So here's all the files. As I said, you can preview them and see how they look. They are following the same structure you have been using for the past few days. And in some versions of AIAX, you can actually edit it from this panel. Sorry. So to add your inscription here, you can just right click and select upload files, or a whole folder, of course. I have a file called TLMN demo or Telamon demo. And I have specific images that I added into the facsimile option element. So I can add two files, which are also with the same demo, which are also with the same name, Telamon and Telamon demo. And then I go to index feature. Okay, and now we have a success message, meaning our images are indexed, two images indexed, and our file is indexed as well. So now we can return to the front end part of the Telamon project. And here we have it. Altar for the Imperial Gods erected by Aristenetus. And the number in our collection is the Telamon demo file. And here is one of the images that we uploaded. And here you can download it again from the website and see the XML for yourself. Let me just see, it's from Kristiyan, and yes, we have it actually indexed on the map as well. But because it's an already existing inscription in our collection, we have it 3 times. So that's that. So we can try with an Latin inscription. We go to XML files again. We go to XMLs, the XML folder, and then epidoc. We click again upload files. I have a pre-made Latin epigraphic file called tituli demo or TTL demo. Oh, sorry, it's a JPEG. My bad. And then you have a little preview here on your left. It's kind of small, but you can check for information in it. So this file actually in the Tituli collection has this identification number, TTL4302. So you can keep the preview all the times to see if the file you're uploading is correct. Then we return to the main section and go to images. we use select files and select the Tituli demo file. Then we go again and click on index and click indexing. So yes, we have the successfully uploaded our and indexed our image as well as a new XML file. As you remember, before that we had 61 files that were checked and green, meaning there's no issue with them. Because sometimes when you have errors in your syntax, just basic XML syntax, it can lead to not the XML files not being indexed correctly. Okay, so we return to our page, and here we have it: dedication to Casabonus by the freedman Felicimus. And here's our inscription, an image of it. Of course, you can have a whole gallery of different angles of the inscription, as I think the original from the Tituli project has. You can check it on the site of the Tituli project. And here we have meta information about the picture itself. And of course, you can download it again.